Now to the coronavirus fight in Maryland. We're seeing an alarming spike in cases. More than 1,100 reported in the last 36 hours. That is the biggest daily increase since July. Despite the rise in cases, Governor Hogan says the state is prepared for a fall surge. He announced Maryland's renewing its travel advisory, warning travelers to avoid going to or from states with higher positivity rates. WJZ is live. Amy Quata has the very latest from Governor Larry Hogan. Amy.
Lynn, good morning. The governor did not hold back. He said we're in for more pain and understands many of us have COVID fatigue right now, but not to let our guard down. Also something to note ahead of holiday season. He said more than 50% of people who've recently contracted the virus have either traveled out of state, attended a large gathering, or work outside of home.
The straight truth is that this virus will be with us well into next year. And that in fact our worst time may be over the next couple of months.
Governor Larry Hogan will not impose any new restrictions in Maryland, even as coronavirus cases are rising. Up 1,198 with 10 more deaths and a positivity rate up more than 0.1%.
The indisputable fact is that we are now in the midst of a major surge of COVID-19 in America.
The governor did issue a travel advisory for hard-hit states: Idaho, Montana, Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, South Carolina, along with Florida. And he advises against any out-of-state travel.
If you do travel to one of these locations, you should immediately be tested for COVID-19 and should self-quarantine while awaiting the results.
The governor says local jurisdictions can impose more restrictions as needed, and he urged tougher enforcement of current restrictions.
It's not that hard. Just wear the damn masks. We're concerned about increasing recent reports of individuals and businesses becoming more lax and not following the law.
The UMMS COVID incident commander got emotional talking about the impact of the virus.
Let's make sure we stay connected. Let's make sure we reach out. Let's make sure we support each other.
And that was Dr. Marcosi speaking. He recently lost a friend to suicide. A reminder that not only of the toll of the physical side, but the mental health side of this pandemic. And know there is always help out there for those who need it. Live this morning, I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.